Hey guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can download or install Streak for Gmail. So let's go to browser first. Then right here, download Streak for Gmail extension. Chrome, this one. Then scroll down and you'll find this one, Streak for Gmail, which is presented by Google Chrome. So click on this. Now just click on add to Chrome, add extension. Your Streak for Gmail extension is enabled. Now how you can pin it, go here and you'll find this Streak CRM for Gmail. Now just pin it, and here's your Streak software. So guys, this is how you can install this in your system. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.